Hi, this is Mike Hamilton on the 7th of October. Just want to do a quick mid-week review just ahead of the jobs figures tomorrow. This is the dollar index on the daily. Obviously we're still only 1:15 Eastern time, so plenty of time for the session before we close tonight. But this is what we've got here. We had a reversal bar here on a key level. You can't see it, but I promise you it's a key level. If we close like this with this little hammer on this major support, then we're at the very least going to retest the 8 EMA. Now what that's done is that has given us a major pullback in the pound. So the pound hit major resistance of 160 at the Bank of England announcement. They were keeping everything the same. And we had a hesitant bar yesterday, but here we're just right back to the 8 EMA. We were very extended up here. You can see we hit the 127 extension of the 240 minutes and then just basically collapsed. Now if we then just look at oil, because oil is even more interesting. Oil hit these highs. I've been watching this like crazy. Yesterday we had invents that showed a big build up in reserves, which is quite often a trigger for selling in the oil. This was a major area here. We've got basically a double top drop. We're just coming right down to 81 here. So we've had a massive 300 point fall today. Actually it's even more than 300 points. It's something like, well, it's 330 at the moment. Obviously a lot of support down here with the 8 EMA coming across. If this 200 EMA holds here, then we still could work our way up. But on the face of it, I'll be looking for a short at 82.60 tomorrow at resistance to see if we can get a continuation of this move to the downside. Because the invent's building up, and the dollar potentially reversing. Potentially, it's not confirmed yet. This could be a double top drop. So I'll be looking for a swing trade to get short on a pullback up here. Let's have a look elsewhere. This is Aussie. This is pound CAD on the daily chart. Very nice close down here below the 50 EMA with all moving averages above it. But today we came right up here and moved right up to 162, just above 162. But I'm still swing short this with a stop at 162.56. So I'm not stopped out, I'm still in the short. If we close below these moving averages here, then we could well see a continuation of the downside. The reason why I liked it so much is because of these lower highs and this distribution pattern, as well as the close below the 50 EMA, and the fact we had all moving averages above. But let's just see how this one works out. I did get an entry at 159.80, I think it was 159.90. So currently about 50 points out. Let's see how that one works out. So the job figures tomorrow, we have got, obviously these markets aren't closed yet. For the equity markets or the futures markets, there's 2 hours 40 to go yet. We've just come right back down to 127 extension. We were extended up here. This bar was floating with a lot of space to the 8, so it's not surprising we've just come back here. We need to see how we finish into the close. Can we get a supporting rally at this support to give us a higher close? But even if we close here, it's still not a reversal bar, because we've not got colour change in the RSI, and assuming we close as we are right now, we're closing on support. So we're just consolidating until the moving averages come across. If we get a close below the 8, either today or tomorrow, then that will be a short-term reversal note. If we fail the 8, then we're more than likely going to come down and test the 20 at 11.30. Just watch out for that. I hope that helps, and email me any questions.